Hey, it's Hannah with the WTI, and getting into the world of smokers is so intimidating. But these kits from Mr. Smokesome make smoking your own treats so amazing.
This is such a well-curated kit. It comes with all of the essentials that you need to make the perfect smoked treats. It has three different types of wood chips: apple, hickory, and cherry, as well as coming with a refill kit, which is so fantastic because once you start making smoked anything, you are going to want to do it all the time. The process is super easy. When you fill your box with the wood chips and make sure your grill is nice and clean with the attached grill scraper that I have to say works so perfectly. It is as easy as placing your box on the fire and then waiting for it to smoke up, and you can make the most delicious things. I have been making this smoked cream cheese, and I am so glad that this came with refills because I cannot stop making this. It is so delicious. The smoky flavor is just so perfect, and all of the accessories this came with makes this kit so easy to use. I am so impressed.
Get ready to enjoy your favorite meals with a delicious smoky flavor and get this kit from Mr. Smokesome. You're not going to regret it. And that's my point of view.